Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to continue our journey with the path parameters in Litestar. So let's jump right to it. So path parameters 2.py, and this is going to be a longer example because I want to show you how you can use or add annotation to your context routes as to what kind of parameters and so on context route expects. And we are going to see with the Litestar server and check the schema of this. All right, so let's jump right into it. What we would like to do is to import from Pydantic the base model, the JSON, and the con int. From typing, we import the annotated, and from Litestar, import Litestar and get, and from Litestar .open API .spec .example, we import the example, and from Litestar .params we import parameter. We will have a class which is called version, and it will inherit from the base model, and it will have a ID and use the conint, and greater than equal to 1 and less than 10. And then we have the specs, which is going to be a JSON, and the versions is going to be a dictionary, and the version ID egyenlő 1, and the specs equals to some value. All right, now we can create our context route, and technically we use the path equals to versions, and we will have a version ID which is an integer, and the thing to thread is false. Alright, we are going to define the get product version, and the version is going to be annotated, and it will take an integer as an argument, and the parameter will have the following definition. So basically we have the GE equals 1, LT equals 10, the title is available product versions, and the description is get specific version, and we have an examples argument, and here we have a list of example, and we specify the value equals 1. And then we have the external docs, which is an external documentation, and it has the following URL: https my website product.html. All right, and in the end we want to return a version, and we return version ID. All right, so now we can instantiate our application, route handlers is get product version. Let's save and exit and copy path parameters to app.py with the force and issue it with the debug. Okay. For whatever reason, whenever I'm using decorators, I put that sign there. Ah, I should edit the app.py. All right. So we have this version parameter annotated. I may have made a typo. Let's put it on one line. Integer parameter greater than equal less than title description examples external docs external documentation. We have the URL and this closes the external document. That one closes the parameter and this one closes the annotation, and that's the version which is returned. Invalid syntax. All right. So this is the one. That's the parameter. And that is closed here. That is closed here. And that was the reason, I guess. All right. So it has a Pydantic scheme error. Version ID 1 specs. That's okay. Ah, hold on. We are missing one. So from Litestar dot open API dot spec dot external documentation import external documentation. Okay. Unable to generate Pydantic scheme from where does it come from? Line 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Con int specs JSON with a capital J. parameter. Alright, so now it is working, and if you visit the version, the context route with the one ID, it has the ID equals 1, and it's missing that one. Let's see the schema. So version required, and as you can see, these are all the definitions that we have here. So basically, this is what was defined in the context route, and we have this version which is missing parameter. So version equals 1, and basically this should be the ID. Missing query parameter for version, and version ID is not defined. Version ID, version ID. Let's remove the version ID. All right. So this is how we are able to create pass parameters in Litestar, and basically we can annotate these context routes and the types it expects, and based on the annotation we are going to have a pretty decent documentation. As you can see here, we have the criteria for the ID, it should be a JSON pointer, and so on. So technically that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.